Hey guys, how's it going? Back again, finally. It's that time again, a little overdue, but doing the video most carried knives of 2014. And I'm sitting here looking at them thinking, ooh, there's sort of a trend. So, okay, we'll just get right to it. I am going to start with the least carried and move right up to the most, as one does. So, we're going to start with Spyderco Domino. Yep. Been carrying, been liking. Pretty nice. Little wide in the pocket, but as you can see, wait, let's have kind of a wide profile, but not terrible. But just love the action on this thing. Edge retention is awesome. Looks good. Spyderco Domino. Love that titanium stonewash look. Good stuff. Only gripe, not that I use it, but the spider hole is rather sharp. To me, kind of like a lack of finish. But, cool stuff. So there's that one. Alrighty. Let's see. Next most carried would probably be Spyderco Sage. Oop. Oh, that was just pathetic. Gotta do it again. Alright, I'm reaching around the tripod trying to do this. So, the Sage. Oh, little dirty. Little used, but been a fantastic knife. I know initially when I did my review on this, or my first look, I had reservations about the pocket clip. Because, you know, it just went in and out of your pocket so easy, but that ended up being a reason to carry it with some pants. Just the fact that it was so easy to get in and out. I went from not liking it for that reason to loving it. Thing's smooth. CPM S30V holds an edge great. Just love it. Small, comfortable. I always tend to gravitate towards right here. Unless it's heavy cardboard tasks than the old hammer grip. But this thing's been great. Absolutely love it. The trend. Next up. Wow. Paramilitary 2. Again, did a recent review on it. Absolutely love this thing. Again, holds an edge fantastic with the S30V. I got it smooth now, so that part's great. I just absolutely love the compression lock. This thing has been awesome. Awesome, awesome. So, there it is. That one. Kind of a trend going, huh? Spydercos. Well, next one. Not a Spyderco. Not so expensive. But, damn it, just comfortable. The old Rat 2. It's just a comfortable knife. Adequate edge holding. Zips through cardboard like mad. Just opens beautifully. I don't know, I just love this thing. It's comfortable, locks up nice, everything's solid with all the use I've given it, and I have given it a lot. Just been freaking fantastic little knife. And, you know, for the $30 price range, can't really knock it. Alright, well, we're almost done. Okay, the last two are the twofers. These are the ones that were with me all the time, no matter what. They never got switched out. I always had them on me. And in keeping with the trend, the Ladybug, again this year. Another full year carried in the pocket. Fantastic little knife. The VG10 does pretty good edge holding. This thing's beat. But lots of pocket time. VG10's been great. You can't argue the weight. You don't even know it's in your pocket. Beautiful thing. And also equally carried with that is Victorinox Classic. You know, my little blade, the little file screwdriver thing. Of course, your tweezers and your toothpick. And the reason I mostly carried it, scissors. Just use them all the time, just about daily. So there it is, the EDC, most carried knives of 2014. Yeah, there were a couple others. If I was going to give it an honorable mention, which I don't have it on me, so I'm not going to do it, but yeah, whatever. The Southern Flipper I started carrying recently. But yeah, there's the lot. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one. See you soon. Keeping it short and sweet. Later.